Me nah hype and bossy. Them gyal they are really a Bella. You not see me exclusive. It's your real top girl Chanel Muir, and I will be live in London, UK, June 3rd. Listen, I'm on SB Promotions. Yeah, every top girl, every top man roll out. London, UK, June 3rd. Don't forget it.
Yeah, people, so on a year, the top girl says she's going to be in UK on June 3rd, right? She got there London, so all of my people in the UK, you see me, I say London and surrounding areas, you know, get ready for this one. You see me, we have ample time, you know, now January and we are June, but she already announced it, you see what I say? And I think it's her first time in the UK. I think, like, performance-wise, I don't know if she visit her way, you see what I say? But, you know what I mean, I think it is, I'm not sure. But we know say she going to shell it down. But people, it's just 2 weeks into 2022 and we have songs, on top of songs from the female them. You see what I say? And nonetheless, we have the top girl with fear song, Naturally. Zane, the song name Naturally, and it released today. Now this is on the same rhythm where Shensi a Dolly Depan, because it's a Jordan Chimney production. And I know Jordan, what a big song. You see what I say? But people, we're going to get right into it. You see me? Plus, she sing it on live here with a live performance. We're going to stick around and we have that also. So we'll get right into the song.
Pretty naturally, my money stack properly. One top girl, any other top of back.
A problem, trouble and chaos. You know, hear that. A one top girl, any other top of back. She, you know, hear that. So me I tell you people are one of the most talented artists this. I mean I say one of the most talented female artists. Me say artists. So me I talk about overall. You see me? So people, we have the song. We are going to get back into it. Let's go.
Them a go sick of me, Chanel, no watch the bakery. Pretty skin, easy kill your dance, all look at me. Haters, me no watch the crowd, me watch the papers. When they tell I count the money, big machine, which calculator, them a shaper. But I don't the one, me grab the waist and lose your way, come on, we'll put you.
Do we hear the song, bad people? Me can't stop anywhere in the song and I just lyrics. Right now, me just stop it, and the baddest thing she just say, don't lose your way, because she will put you back in your place. You see me? And right now, we are going to roll in our hook. So make we hear what go on again. Here goes.
Your place was tight like my tights and fat like my vice. Whole man so tight, boy, cheat pow. Come when me sing, y'all act like a chimney. One top, girl, I gonna train her too.
Yeah, people, no hear what go on. You know I can't play out the whole of the song. I have it on the live though, where she sing the entire song. You see me? Plus it up on our Vivo. I want to watch it on our Vivo or listen it rather on our Vivo. You know what I mean? I help build up the views them. Because we have to get our trending. You see me? I say, I want top girl. Any other top of back as she said. You see me? But people, before me show no the part of the live where she has sing the song, she did a sing one next song. And she did a talk about black woman and you know what I mean, grabbing your opportunity and all of that. So me I go play that piece there for you, so you can hear what go on. But people, you stick around because you don't want to miss the performance. Naturally, you see what I say? The song a shot, the rhythm bad, and the top girl give you her best. You see what I say? Me never know if her best because she just keep getting better and better. You see me? But the song bad, people. So we are going to get into the party live, but we stick around. Here goes.
Asked along the way, tell your children black is beautiful. To be alive is a whole lot of privilege. Education is the key to rule the world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl. Tell your children black is beautiful. I now go back for no privilege. Knowledge is the ruler of the world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl. Cause when you're black, yeah, is a big threat. Alright, but yeah, I will leave a thing today. Black is beautiful, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Listen to me. It's when it comes down to opportunities too. When it comes down to opportunities, stand your ground. Stand your ground. What I mean by that is, a lot of times, you see that saying there where them say, not all that glitters is gold. Find your truth in that same saying, because trust and believe and everything will glitter gold. It look pretty. It look very appealing, and it look like it can work with. I guess the moment you really get to see what it is, you're so dissatisfied. You see me? Out of many, one people are the same. Same color, blood flow through a vein. The strongest survive the human race.
Right now, people, me make no wait long enough, so we are gonna get right into the live performance. You see what me I say? So we are premiere Chanel Muir's song, saying naturally, live right now. So here goes.
See it, yeah?
Pretty naturally, my money stack properly. One top girl, any other top of back of me. Them a go say commission, you know watch the bakery. Pretty skiller, easy kill you, dance all like me. Haters, me no watch the code, me watch the papers. When the teller count the money, big machine is calculator, them a shaper. But I know they want to grab your waist and lose your way. Come and put in your place. Pussy tight like my tight, fat like my voice. And old man so tight, boy shade my hoe. But when me sing, girl, hot like a chimney. One top girl, I couldn't train her two. From me get the break, now take the break, me working daily. Want to reach out really rich is like me now. Forget my savings, God, I talk like what the fuck me feel me out to take the ratings from my phone. I never send the ratings for the payslip. I never see ratings for payslip.
I'm telling you something. A long time, me I work and me I do this. Me, Chanel, never, ever beg ratings. Will never, ever beg ratings. Ever. Not even at the next life. Me never see ratings for the pay slip. Underrate me anything you don't want to do, but make sure you don't underpay me. That's all me ask. Underrate any rate, anything you want to do, but make sure you not pay me the right rate to not pay me by and don't underpay me, okay?
So one of the things so far, I want to know, you know, when you go and build up on the mental and know when I go come and say, you know, because me are telling the people the song is good. Me, this is my opinion. Me love it. You see what I say? I love the flow. I like how she a chop. And I like how, you know what I mean, at them rhythm, I feel like fitter. You know, any rhythm fitter as a matter of fact. But I can see say she enjoy doing this right now. You see what I say? Although she have other songs we shot as well. But people, we are going to play it again. You see what I say? And she are going further into the song this time. She are going to go into the entire thing. So here goes.
Pretty naturally, my money stack properly. One top girl, any other top of back of me. Them a go see commission, you know watch the bakery. Pretty skiller, easy kill you, dance all like me. Haters, me no watch the code, me watch the papers. When the teller count the money, big machine which calculator, them a shaper. But I know they want to grab your waist and lose your way. Come and put in your place. Pussy tight like my tight, fat like my voice. Old man so tight, boy shade my hoe. Now when me sing, girl, hot like a chimney. One top, girl, I gonna train her two. When me get the break, now take the break, me working daily. Want for rich, I really rich is like me now. For check me savings, God, I talk like what the fuck. Feel me, I go bring the ratings from my bond. I never see the ratings for the payslip. Written on my prime time, me and them worst views. Them about them badness of curfew. Surgery that they don't allow me to rust. And I'm a posty cocky go on the ass. One top, girl, ain't nothing a similar thing. Tough like a female, just to learn them a begin on my thing. Nah, now silicone to me thing, and like a phone is a ring. Yeah, me nah out like a pill in a chop. Show me out no looky like a chop back. I me pretty naturally with makeup and plus stats. Not gonna bother me, me no bother not about. Me a real top girl. Oh gosh, tight like my tights and fat like my vice.
Oh gosh.
Me money stuck properly. One top girl, any other top of my never go see commission, you know watch the bakery. Pretty skiller, easy kill you, dance all like us. Haters, me know watch the code, me watch the paper. When the teller count the money, big machine is calculator, them a shaper. But I know they want to grab your waist and lose your way. Come here, put in your head. Tight like my tights and fat like my voice. Listen man, just look out for this. I look out for much more. Yeah, so everybody, make sure you have a wonderful day. And take time and go and live with the life and go and sleep. Listen man, when the top go and sleep and me a top go and sleep on table and cut. If you're comfortable for your table, man. But I heap and bossy. Enough for them broke like dog and I move like giant toes. A long time.
time in a like mix up. Nah discuss, nobody me no live so. And if a girl feel she baby, we choke off the face. Me a real top girl, me no risk up. And anything gonna chat for me, make sure no mention say me bricks up. Because me rather be a girl where I mash up the place than I sit down in a one bucket. To me na hype and bossy. Enough for them broke like dog and I move like giant tourists. Big up all the girl when I sleep on table. So your turn, you better better put it. Wait your turn. I say go. But do one time too. Every girl exclusive. A top girl, a top girl, yeah. I like my night, but like my voice. Boy Chico, come and me sing, y'all I like a chimney.
So people like me say, I really want to know what you think. So I want to get down in the comment section and see what me say and tell me what you think about the Top Girl new song. And don't forget no people, if you're in the UK, she a go did it, you see me. So when you just go and prepare on yourself for that for when the time come. You see me? I want to go up on the Vivo. As a matter of fact, I go put the link to the song so you can just click and go over there and enjoy the song as well. Right? So people, thanks you for watching and big up on yourself. Stay safe out there.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.